Most borrowers think appraisals are out of their control. The appraiser shows up, looks around, writes a number, and whatever happens, happens. But here's the truth. You have far more influence over an appraisal than you realize. And when you're strategic, you increase the odds of a higher value, a stronger DSCR, and a smoother approval. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to prepare for an appraisal, step by step, so you walk in confident and ready. Let's start with a real example. An investor ordered an appraisal on a rental property. He handed the appraiser a clean packet, comps, rent data, upgrade list, and access instructions. His appraisal came in exactly where he expected. Another investor provided nothing, wasn't on site, and left the appraiser guessing. His value came in low, and he spent weeks fighting it. Preparation matters. And the data confirms this. A 2023 CoreLogic appraisal study found that organized, information-rich appraisal appointments reduced the chance of valuation disputes by 42%. Another survey from the Appraisal Institute showed that appraisers are more confident and more accurate when borrowers provide clean documentation up front. So here's how to prepare for an appraisal like a professional. Step 1. Clean and stage the property. Appraisers evaluate condition. Even though they're objective, a clean, organized property shows pride of ownership. Fix obvious issues. Broken fixtures, clutter, debris, peeling paint, yard mess. Step 2. Prepare your comp packet. Don't assume the appraiser will find the best comps. Provide 3 to 5 recent sales properties similar in size, age, condition notes explaining why they match. This helps guide the appraiser's understanding of the neighborhood. Step 3. Create an upgrade and repair list. Include renovations, completed dates, cost, optional but helpful. Contractor invoices or photos. Appraisers rely on factual detail. Step 4. Provide access instructions and tenant info. Nothing delays an appraisal like access confusion. If tenant occupied, coordinate in advance. Appraiser access equals faster report delivery. Step 5. Share rental comps and the lease, for DSCR loans. Provide the lease agreement, rent payment proof, and 1007 rent comps if you have them. This boosts the income approach and supports stronger DSCR. Step 6. Be present or have someone present. You're not influencing the outcome, you're answering questions. You want the appraiser to have clarity, not assumptions. Step 7. Follow up professionally. If the report is delayed, follow up politely. Professional borrowers get faster responses. Here's your payoff. The appraisal is one of the biggest swing factors in your loan. When you prepare your property, your paperwork, and your comps, you help the appraiser deliver a more accurate value, and a value that reflects the true quality of your asset. Educational content only. Not financial advice. What apps? No. +1 448 230 7488 phone. No. +1 201 680 0991.